This is Paulette from the Magical Needle, and today we are going to do a holiday bowl. I'm using Christmas twine that I got from one of the big box craft stores, and then clothesline cording that I got from the grocery store. I started small, and it's like you could kind of see that it was hard to get the cording perfect right in the middle, but that's okay because I'm actually going to later applique a little Christmas fabric design in the middle, so that will hide that. So the twine is on the left side, it's in my left hand, and the cording's on my right. So I hold it down, and you could even use this plastic stick, but I'm using a wide zigzag, and the coil in the middle is spinning counterclockwise. I also wanted to show that I have the the twine over here on a spool holder so it doesn't wrap around the cording and knot up. It just makes it easier. As you can see, the twine is underneath. It's in between the coil. Okay, so this is around 7 inches, the coil, and now what we're going to do is I'm just going to raise it up a little bit. As you can see with my left hand, I'm raising it up a little bit, and it's going to give it that curved bowl shape. So in the other video, I had a smaller coil. I think it was like a 4.5. This one is actually, I think, like 7. Now what we're going to do is raise this high so it's higher up against the sewing machine. Okay? And then we're going to hold it and just letting it slide through my finger as I'm holding it up with my left hand. Now sometimes the cording could get twisted, so you may want to slow down a little bit now and then and make sure it's not getting twisted. There we go. So the rest of the remaining of this, making the bowl, I'm going to keep the back of the bowl leaning up against the machine so it's in the highest position for this shape that I'm making for the bowl. So I wanted to show you so far that the twine is on the back side of the bowl, and you really don't see a lot of twine on the inside of the bowl. So I'm going to do a few more rows, and then we'll stop, and then I'll show you how to do an applique.